What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about the app Sweatcoin and basically give you my thoughts on the app. And as you can see, I haven't did any walking today, but I had $22.82 worth of Sweatcoin so far. And basically, what this app is it basically uh you earn by how many steps you take. And it's a good app, but a lot of people will come in with that mindset with that push button mentality with these free apps. And they just after thinking everything's gonna happen tomorrow. They're gonna make 100,000 tomorrow, but it don't work like that. And I'm gonna give you a little strategy that you can do with this app, and then you can move into owning your own business. Then you don't have to depend on these apps. I mean, you can run them you can have these running in the background, and then you can start building towards your own business. And basically, what you would do with this is you're not really gonna earn a lot of sweat coins from walking. You're gonna have to refer people, and when you refer people, you get 5 Sweatcoins. And let me see, I'm gonna show you other stuff you can check out. Or not this. We'll go to the offers, and this is what you would want to focus on. You can invite people, and as you invite people, you get 20. You get $20 for 100 Sweatcoins and 20 invites. So basically, if you invite 20 people, that'll be 100 Sweatcoins, and you can redeem $20. But if you I got a couple of cheap traffic sources. I'm gonna do some other videos and show you some traffic sources that you can use to get eyeballs on your referral link. But this is what I'm gonna focus on. I only been in this for like a week or so. But I haven't really. I just wanted to do a little personal review and try to give people some tips on these apps. Like these free apps. Like my mentor started his journey with these free apps, and now he's a multi millionaire. But he doesn't do these apps anymore. But this is how he got started. And you figure you get enough traffic to this, you can bring in way more than 20 people. And this they'll pay you up to 1,000. You see this, but you need 20,000 sweat coin. And 20,000 sweat coin look like a lot, but if you getting enough eyeballs on your referral link, this can become easy, because every time somebody download this app under your link, you get 5 Sweatcoin. So it won't take long. You have to drive traffic, and you gotta have some patience. So, but that's basically it. This is what I'm gonna focus on, and I'm gonna basically show my journey with this and try to give people some motivation that these free apps, if you work them, you can change your life. but you gotta work the app. You can't just come in and think like, oh, it's a scam because you're not working it. So, but that's basically it for the video. I'll leave my link in the description if you want to check this app out. Like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I will be doing more videos. I might do a training video about the traffic sources too. So like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.